Hey, what's up, guys? So in this episode, I'm gonna show you how we managed to make this really nice logo coming from just a picture that a customer will send you. Because if you are in this business, or if you are not, you will come across this issue. Customers will send you just an image or a picture of their business card, and you will have to find a way to reconstruct, especially if they want the same design and you only have a vinyl cutter and not a printer. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I managed to do this just in a matter of seconds. So let's begin, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe. So first, let me show you how I did this in just a few seconds. So I log into ChatGPT and send the image. I just copy and paste and told ChatGPT remake this very same image, but turn it into a high quality black and white, because this is gonna be for a vinyl cutter logo with same avatar and same information. With AI, you have to be very specific, but on a white background. And why on a white background? Because I'm going to vectorize this image, and a white background will make it faster. So the background has to be white, and I told it make sure the logo is friendly for vinyl cutters. So like I said, you have to be very specific. Now watch this. Right now it's creating the image, it's loading. Sometimes it might take up to 1 minute depending on even your Wi-Fi, but mine it's really good. But look at this, it is now creating a sample of what I sent, and so far it's looking good. And I think so far I'm liking what I'm looking at. The information you always want to double check, because with AI sometimes it misspells, so you have to correct, or you can just use the software. And everything looks good. Look at how similar it looks to the original image. Now I'm gonna copy and paste this, and I'm gonna use CorelDRAW, which is the software we use to vectorize, and look at the difference. I mean, it looks really amazing. It's exactly the same, but the other one is vinyl cutter friendly. Look at how similar it looks. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vectorize this image, and I can already tell you that you still gotta do some stuff, but not a lot. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna remove some of the details, and I like to turn my image red, because when you turn this red, you can see the trims and all the details. So now I'm gonna highlight all the details and delete. And now I'm gonna highlight these dots and get rid of them. And I'm gonna work on this for a little bit, but it's not gonna be too much, I promise you. I mean, look at this. It is really amazing how fast this is. And back in the days, this will take me hours. But before you even do that, one thing I forgot to tell you is that you can also send your sample to your customers. So I just told ChatGPT, make that same image, and now put this logo in the back of a pink t-shirt of a woman cleaning. And look at that. It's now making me a sample that I will send my customer before I even vectorize or even make this design. And of course, once the customer approves the design, look at this, it looks exactly the same. You will send this to your customer by messenger or text. Once they approve, and of course she does the down payment, then you can now cut this design. And look at how it became from just an image or a sample that a customer sent you, then now a sample black and white, and now it is a mock-up. AI is really amazing. So now let's cut the design. Now we're gonna cut our design, and I'm gonna use some of the scraps that we have of the very many. This is why we save this. And I'm gonna show you how, even though this is not a real project, but I'm just trying to teach you guys how easy it is now, or how I should say how much easier your life will be when you use AI like we did, especially when it comes to making your designs or samples for your customers. So now what I'm gonna do is align my vinyl and send it to the back, and hopefully this will be enough, but it should be. All right, great. Now let's go and send our design. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my weeding boxes here. You can do it when you are cutting Master 3, but I usually do mine here. So I'm gonna do my weeding boxes here manually. All right, I'm just double checking the settings, and they look good. The cut force is at 16, the offset at 0, and speed 38. And again, this is for the Graphtec, the CE6060, and we're using the Cutting Master software to send the design, and it's cutting now. All right, now our design is ready. Let's see. Let's cut it first, and let's start weeding out. All right, now let's start removing the vinyl or weeding out. So far it looks, the settings, they look okay. I'm just amazed. I know I've been saying this for too long, but I'm just really amazed of what AI can do now. It really is just, the message here is to show you guys how AI is making designing much better and faster. Look at this, really nice. All right, now let's work on the face. Honestly guys, I could probably use a different font, or at least one similar to the design, but this one is not too bad. But I noticed that the font is a little too thin, so I wouldn't be surprised if part of this logo tries to come off or does come off, but I'm just gonna do this carefully. But I think it's okay. If you can add like contour to your font, if it's too thin and the customer wants it exactly the same font, or at least very similar, what you can do is like add thickness to your font. Here comes perhaps the most difficult section of this design, which is the smaller text, but so far I think it's not too bad. Like I said, if you want to add more thickness to the font, that will be great. It will help you make this weeding process much easier for you. But yeah, everything's great. And here it is, guys. Here's the final result. Again, I invite you guys to check it out. Do not be afraid of AI, because you will be surprised once you try it out. I think you're gonna love it. You're gonna see how easier your life will be, especially if you are into this business, which is the decal or sticker business, or even t-shirt business. So thank you guys so much. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like, subscribe. Also, we appreciate if you share this video, if you find it interesting. Also, don't forget that we have memberships. You can just click on the join button and check out the best membership, or the one that's more suitable for you if you want to use our decal calculators. Thank you guys. We'll see you pretty soon.